share with you how we make a 3D toy box cookie. This project was a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, but the results are so pretty. This project is a little harder to do it by yourself, so if you have someone in your family that would like to help you, that will be awesome. Okay, so I'm super excited for you to see this video, and let's get started. First, you are going to need these paper templates. In the description box below, I will leave you the measurements of these paper templates, and also in the community tab, you can download this image so you can print it at home. You are going to need a flat knife like this one. Please click the link above to see the gingerbread cookie recipe. After your cookie dough is chilled, you are going to cut out your pieces using your paper template. Now you can preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. Now I am going to transfer all the pieces to a baking sheet, and I'm going to bake them for 10 to 13 minutes until the edges are a little bit brown. You can see the back of this cookie is very golden, and the cookies can take out of the tray very easily. So these cookies are ready. I'm gonna put them in a cooling rack for a few minutes. First, we're gonna see if our pieces will go nice together. So let's just, this is gonna be the base, one side. So now I'm going to decorate each part, okay? So this is the bottom, I'm not gonna do anything on it. And then this is gonna be the lid, okay? You will need medium consistency icing in white, blue, and pink. Using a decorating tip number 1.5, I am going to make some swirls in blue. Before the icing is dry, I'm going to put some edible metallic pearls. Using the same blue icing and the same decorating tip, I'm going to make some little flowers. I'm going to make the same designs for the cookies that are going to form the box. So two sides and the front and the back. And for the lid of the toy box, I am going to use this scallop cookie cutter to make a design using an edible marker. Then, using the same blue icing and the same decorating tip, I'm going to outline my design. Now, I am going to use floating consistency icing in the same shade of blue to put inside my design. To add some edible pearls too, and I'm gonna let it dry completely. I asked my daughter for help, and she's going to make the word toys in the top of the lid using an edible marker. In the community tab also, I am going to leave you the template if you want to use it. To use medium consistency icing in bright pink with a decorating tip number 1.5, and I am going to outline the letters. And then I am going to switch to a decorating tip number 3 to fill up the center of the letters with the same icing consistency. also made some swirls using the decorating tip number 1.5 and the same pink icing. I really like how it looks, the pink with the blue, so I am going to add pink details on the other cookies. Now we're gonna let dry our cookies completely so later on we can put together our little toy box. And for this you are going to use your pink icing and you are going to need some help. So please ask someone in your family if they can help you to put out together this cute toy box. Okay, our toy box is ready. The lid, I'm not gonna glue it together because I'm going to put some cookies inside. Please click the link above to see how I decorate very tiny Christmas cookies. I really like this toy box, and this is perfect for the Epiphany Day or Dia de los Reyes Magos, because growing up that was the day when I received my toys and I always have very fond memories about it. This is it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me any comment if you have any questions. See you until next time. Don't forget to be always creative in your baking and your cookie decorating. Bye bye.